Alright, welcome back to the newest video. So I got the world's worst MAG, M-A-G CRT monitor. This unit is filthy. It sat in the dirt for about a year. I was told it worked the last time it was used. Basically a year and a half ago tops. Or at the earliest. It's been face first in the mud, as you can see. And I've wanted to get into CRT rebuilding. It probably just needs a cleaning. This is a NNO Vision. Unknown, the story on it, besides it's my grandpa's model number DJ700. I'm very standard when it comes to cleaning. Don't know what's inside of it yet, besides the tube screen and more. Let's start with basic cleaning. I've always wanted to really work on one of these things. It's delicious. Oh wow, that's actually really nice of this. Like a pile on the ground. I don't know if this thing will use up the entire container or not. Yeah, this thing is yummy. The screen is going to be most interesting. Probably am an idiot right now using Clorox wipes, but it's what I got. But I haven't had issues with stuff like that in the past, so let's just get rid of all this surface dirt. Alright, I'm gonna go dump this outside. Be back in a sec. There we go, way cleaner now. Far from done. Beautiful, actually. It's a good start right there. If I had a before shot of this and an after shot, you'll just have to rewind the video to see. Probably contrast or something. Alright, face on, it's clean. Now let's put it face down on the dirty desk because that's the right thing to do. InnoVision with 2 N's. Okay, that's how you know it's good. I'm sure I'll lose all of the screws. There's even junk in the power supply. There's ants on this thing when I first found it. I'm sure it's fine. Really only... It can't be 2 screws. No. Okay, good. It's about to say, there can't be 2 screws just holding this entire back. Like, really weird. Yeah, the face is yellow. I don't do retro bright stuff. Unknown how I'll handle that. I would like to start doing it, but I just started on CRT monitor restrictions. There we go. I hate having non-steady hands. I think that's all of them. Probably not, knowing my luck. How's the stand work? Does it even come off? It's on there solid. Yes. Loose to some extent. I feel like I'm doing something terribly wrong. Are these like screw vents here? Hold on. They probably are not. That would be ironic. They probably are. Hold on. If I had the right size screwdriver, it would be nice. The long nails aren't helping me for once. Pause. And I'm back. Oh, come on. Yep. I should have known. Also, more dirt in here. I was wondering if there were top screws or not. I was like, feels weird about top screws. Now the other side. I'm sure this is just great for that shiny-ish CRT. For once, I don't plan to lose all the hardware. There you go. Crack in the corner there. Oh. It's great. Yummy. It's my favorite. A rusted up, infested CRT. That's not good at all. I'm not surprised. It's delicious. Look at that. Yo, let me zoom in if I can. I can't zoom in this mode. Okay, check out the rust. That's supposed to be silver. I knew this might be the case. I'm kind of excited, I'm not gonna lie, because this makes it more fun. Let's start with get rid of plant life that has tried to consume this entire assembly. To be honest, the CRT is nice. It's a Hitachi display. Serial number is 7A165172, type M41KSX680X71 with a G at the very, very end. It's not that bad. I mean, it is, but it's way cleaner than you might think. It's delicious, though. I'm pretty sure that might go somewhere. Or it's just an empty wire. I don't know if mice have been in this unit or not. But dude, the plant life is trying to consume this. Maybe I saved it at the right time. I could have saved it from going outside entirely. I'm pretty sure it's discharged. But I'll probably take a stab at discharging it for fun, even though it's got, if it has charge, and there's some serious issue there. Because it should not have charge. Dude, there are cobwebs, too. Look at this. Oh, I should have known this would happen, and I kind of did. Oh, the vacuum tube is delicious. Anyone home? Guys can't stay here anymore. This is my house. Cobweb stuck to me. There we go. I should just hose the entire thing out. This is gonna be fun, I'm not gonna lie. I've really wanted to do stuff like this, but never had the chance until now. Alright. Yoke. Don't break, don't break, don't break. Oh, it's gonna break. If I'm not careful, it's going to break. Come on. Be free. What the hell? This is... Oh, come on. This is intriguing to see. Oh. Duh. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna probably forget which ones those go to, but I mean, not like it matters. Because it's just one big ground anyway, there's just a bunch of slots. This is the part I'm scared of. Is not breaking these screws. Oh, I'm lucky. Before I jinx myself. Nope, came out fine. This one's gonna be a lot of parts for sure. It's got some contact issues, I presume. Alright. Let's cut this zip tie up, hopefully. The scissors are shit. These scissors aren't gonna cut jack. What about the dull knives? There we go. God bless all knives. There we go. Bingo. Let's pull the yolk out in this video, I guess. Carefully, obviously. If it shall come out. VGA stuff. Come on. There we go. It's lovely. Just shedding a bit. What could go wrong? Oh my god. This will be a fun one to clean. It's glued. Oh, damn. Wait. Undamn it. Come on, baby. Be free. I'm gonna end this video here. More disassembling the next one. Bye.